Okay, the first thing we need to talk about looking at the plane outside is I want to first talk about parallel lines. So I'm going to put parallel lines are for self-control second. Just say lines of what?
Are parallel.
Yes.
They're like right next to each other.
Lines that don't. I get it. Lines that don't intersect. It's actually a little bit more specific than that, but a working definition that you've had your whole entire life is two lines that intersect, right? There are lines, or specifically said, coplanar lines. Coplanar. You guys in the same that don't intersect. Okay, coplanar lines that don't intersect. So the question that would be, or which lines in the picture at the right are parallel, by the way, that's the sign for parallel, are parallel to line AG. Which lines are parallel to line AG? Yes, sir. JH. Is JH parallel to AG? JH, is that it?
Yes.
JH. JH is parallel, yes. Segment JH or line JH. Any other ones? Anybody else? Line parallel to AG. Planes. Just hold on. Not this one, but the one up there. Parallel planes. Okay, these are just planes that don't intersect. Planes that don't intersect. Okay, so which plane, or which planes are parallel to A, B, J, plane A, B, J, plane A, B, J. Go ahead and look at it and try to think that over. There's only one plane that is parallel to plane ABJ. And I say that because if you look at it, ABJ is not just that triangle on the top. It's actually the whole back of the fort. Does that make sense? It's the whole back of the fort. Okay. Whereas AICD is not just the triangle on the top, but the whole front of the fort. Does that make sense? The whole front of the fort. Okay? Okay. Let's do the next one. Next difference. Skew lines. Skew lines are non-coplanar lines that don't intersect. No, parallel lines specifically states that parallel lines are specifically lines that are coplanar. These are non-coplanar lines that don't intersect. So here's the deal. Which lines are skew to AG, line AG, or segment AG? Let's take a look at it. Clear out the picture. AG is here. Give me one that's skew. By the way, if you have the geometric solids at your desk, those are the two blue lines. That's a representation of skew line. So if you read the definition up there that I wrote down, and you're like, what does that mean? Look at the solid. Okay, look at the geometric solid and find the two blue lines. If you see those and you look at those, or if you understand what it means, just pass the solid on to the person in front of you or behind you. Again, any line that doesn't intersect but is not in the same plane. CD is one. What else? There's lots. BC is one. Okay, did I get them all? JI is going to be parallel. It's going to be parallel. JD is the last one. JD going to be the last one. Okay, that all makes sense, guys?
Yeah.
You with me? Okay, what I want you to do with your row partners, get with your row partners, and I want you to answer the rest of the questions on the page. Okay? Ready? Go. Name a segment that is parallel to planes MRQ. MRQ. So it's this back plane. A segment that doesn't intersect with it. NP is the only segment. Parallel means doesn't intersect, right? Parallel lines specifically meaning lines in the same plane that don't intersect. A little bit different when we're talking about plane and a line or plane and a line segment. A little bit different. I kind of threw that one in there for fun. Name two segments. Remember Jedi mind trick? I changed it to get you guys to think more about it. Name two. Name two segments that are parallel to OQ. Two segments. So let's say what? NP is parallel and MR is parallel. Yep. Okay, next one. Any questions on that? Yeah. On the next one, a plane that is parallel to MNO, the top one. So which one's parallel to the bottom one? Way to take her thunder. Okay, PRQ, or any order of those three, right? Three segments skew to RQ. Skew means not intersecting, so it would be MN or NP. That's all. Okay. And then the last one. Ooh. Three segments not skew to RQ. RP, PQ, RP, PQ. Okay, OQ. There's more. MR, MO. All of those are not skew. All of those are not skew. Because they either intersect or are parallel. Okay, any questions on that?